Guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I got my brother with me today. We're trying to get a good buck for him. Anyway, we're sitting here in Grandpa's box blind instead of that tree stand that I was sitting in. It rained a little bit this morning and the leaves are kind of wet. So I'm hoping that hopefully it kept us quiet while we was coming in here. But we got 3 shooting windows, and if he needs to, I got one here beside me just in case. Hopefully the bucks are still chasing. I mean, I know they are, but hopefully they're chasing through here. A little more about this doofus. He's never killed a buck with like a true rack on it. He's killed a few spikes, but he's never killed like an actual rack deer like I have. Last week he actually missed an 8-pointer. He got a little nervous.
He was standing back there.
He got a little nervous with him. I'm assuming. I mean, I was sitting over there, but he was sitting here and he shot him back here. And he said it was, I don't know, it was just weird. Hopefully he goes back out today, but if not, something bigger maybe, I don't know. We'll see. Scent of a doe. Hopefully it's a doe following a buck. I mean, hopefully it's a buck following a doe and the doe happened to come up here. But we'll see. Alright guys, well, it's been about an hour since I last talked to y'all. We really haven't seen nothing except for a few squirrels, of course. He's getting kind of cold. He's over there wrapped up in his freaking jacket. I still have a good feeling, but guess we'll have to see. Unfortunately, we haven't seen much, except for a few squirrels. And me and him just peed, and now it smells so bad in here. He got so cold, he like closed the windows, and then we had to pee, and it just smells just, like so bad in here now. We're gonna pack it up here in a little bit. It's starting to get dark outside. It's been a pretty slow day, pretty boring, I ain't gonna lie. So, I guess I'll see y'all whenever we get down. Alright, apparently he's just doing
She's over here. She's coming up real fast. Her name's Bambi.
Yeah, we call her Bambi if it's the right one. Where's she at? So. Oh, I see her. There could be a buck behind her. Hopefully there's a buck behind her, maybe. Just sniffing around down there. Popping rocks coming up, I told you.
Yeah.
Dude, I really want there to be a buck following her.
I know. Can you still see her?
Yeah.
She'll probably come up behind us and go towards your tree stand.
Alright y'all, so it's actually 3 days later. Right now it's Tuesday. We couldn't get nothing done for my brother on that hunt, but tomorrow we're going back out in the morning and see what happens. And I'm gonna go put my gun in my backpack in my truck so I don't have to do it in the morning. There we go. Now all I gotta do
Just take my book bag, take it off, and just put this bad boy on up in here. Oh, there we go. And we're all loaded for the morning. All right, guys, I got my stuff packed away for the morning, so I'll see y'all when I wake up. It's nice and chilly out here, but not too cold. Clear skies. It just feels like something's gonna happen. My brother and my dad are back there under that box stand they all seen earlier in the video. And I'm back in my usual tree stand. It should be getting near the late run right now. They should still be chasing. There's been a few wind gusts here and there. I don't think it'll matter. The wind has really calmed down from when I woke up. I'm just so glad to be back in the stand. There's nothing like it. Really hoping my brother can get a buck. Because, like I said, he's never killed a buck with an actual rack on it. It's starting to get lighter outside. And if we have any action, I'll get back at you. It's almost 8 o'clock now, and all I've seen is a bunch of squirrels, of course. But you know, figures, because you always do. My dad and my brother have seen 5 does back there in the box stand, but I haven't seen nothing yet. It's still pretty early. I think I'm still gonna see at least a doe or 2, so we'll see how the morning continues. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. We went ahead and got down. It's about 9:30 now, and we gotta take care of some things at home. It's Tuesday right now. We just got on Thanksgiving break, so happy Thanksgiving to you all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching.